Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Carrie Ann here, and today I'm going to do a beauty video and focus on my nails today. So I have this manicure kit that I just purchased. So this is what it looks like. It's a lavender manicure set, and it comes in this nice little package, and I'm just gonna open it up. Okay, so it has, I think I flipped it. So this is what it looks like, guys. So it has an emery board, it has a cuticle oil, it has one of those nice boards that I'm going to show you later, and there's a hand cream that's in there. Okay, so there's the close-up on it. And so I thought I would try this to see if it would work out for my nails. They have not been professionally done in a while. I usually just grow them organically, and this is supposed to just give them a little bit of moisture at the cuticles. And see, like this one here, like the cuticles are really like not looking very healthy right now. So I'm just gonna use this kit and kind of let them look nice and professionally done. So let's get into the video, guys. So if you're new to my channel, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. My videos are usually about health, beauty, and fitness, and sometimes I talk about money, but most times it can be anything that is informative, educational, and fun. Okay, guys, so let's get into the video. All right, so I have the hand and body cream. That's that one there, and the brand is Beauty Frizz. We have the cuticle oil from the same company. So that one is the cuticle oil. We have our emery board to shape the nails, and there is this magic brush, I call it, that you have the steps here. You have step 1, step 2, and then you have like the buffer to shine it up. So this is what my nail looks like right now. Okay, get a close up on those. So I'm gonna do the different things, spruce them up, and show you what this baby can do. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my emery board and kind of shape up some of these nails. I might cut some of them and shape them up. So I'll be back after a few. Okay, I'll be back after a few. Alright, so I'm just gonna cut my nails with my little clipper. Even things. Okay, so I have shaped the nails. I've shaped the nails, and now I'm going to use the 4-side buffer. So this is the buffer. It has step 1, step 2, and then the sides, 2 sides. So I'm gonna go in. So this is what they look like before I do anything to them. So I'm just gonna go in now with step 1. So step 1. Step 1, I'm gonna go through now with step 2. Alright, step 2. Alright, then I guess the next side is that side. This one doesn't really have a step. Right, this cuticle oil doesn't have a brush, so I don't know how you're gonna brush it on, but anyway. Just gonna put some of the cuticle oil on my nail. Should have a brush, not a... Anyways. Okay. Okay, so there they are, nice and sparkly. Yeah, not bad. So compare these ones. That's what they would look like. So I'm going to repeat the steps for my right hand. So same thing as before, then I'll show you the final product, final effect. Okay guys, so there it is. A close up on that one, a close up on that one. Yes. Okay, so there's everything, and I'm just gonna go in now with my hand and body cream. It's lavender, and just need to take the safety pin off of that. Alright, so just a little dab of my cream, and there is my cream. Just got a little bit on my hand, and I'm just gonna rub it in. It feels nice. Smells good. Okay. So that's it. Okay. So it's just a simple manicure that you can do at home, and it's not too expensive. It doesn't take a lot of time, and you don't have to wait on any nail polish to dry. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this little video, and hope you continue to take care of yourself. This is just a part of my self-care videos, and remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more health videos, more beauty videos, and fitness and money. Okay guys, thank you. Have a good day.